Hey guys, it's Robert. I wanted to take you through this before you begin exercise. There are a couple of things here that you want to make sure that you get done this week so that you're ready to start programming the very first part of next week. So go to this link right here before you begin. This will take you to this section in the Safari Online ebook. There are a couple of things over here you want to take a look at. JDK installation instructions, setting the path, class path, Java home environment variables, and then taking a look at integrated development environments, or IDEs. So just kind of take a look at those things there. The other thing that's probably more critical than anything else is to download and install the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and we're looking at version 8 right now. So click on this link, it'll take you to this page. You'll want the Java Platform Standard Edition. Ignore the NetBeans thing at this point. So all you need to do is come down here and click this download link right now, or rather right here. The JDK, the SE Standard Edition Java Development Kit, includes the complete JRE, which is the Java Runtime Engine, plus tools for developing, debugging, and monitoring Java applications. That's everything you need. So make sure that you get this JDK download by clicking this link right here. Once that's finished, the next thing that you want to do is to download and install JGrasp. Now JGrasp is an IDE. It's the IDE of choice. IDE is simply Integrated Development Environment. And it's the one that we want you to use in CSIS 1400 if you haven't used NetBeans, Eclipse, or some other IDE. JGrasp is a simple IDE, but it contains everything that we need, including debugging tools to create the source code, debug the source code, compile the source code, run the source code. Everything you need is right here in JGrasp, and it's much easier to learn than either NetBeans or Eclipse. We want you to concentrate early on in the course in learning the syntax of Java and not spending a lot of time with a lot of unnecessary bells and whistles trying to learn the IDE. Sometimes the IDE gets in the way of learning the language itself. So now, a caveat here. If you choose not to follow this recommendation and choose to use either NetBeans or Eclipse, knock yourself out, okay? But you'll get no sympathy, no empathy, and no compassion from me. Really, if this is your very first time at programming, or even Java programming, once you get the JDK downloaded, download JGrasp. Here's the download. Here's the site for it. Just click on the download link right here. And there are a couple of videos right here. This getting started video. You want to make sure that you take a look at this one because that'll help you orient yourself to JGrasp and start being able to use that IDE very effectively. The other thing is, I want you to download all the code examples. These are the code examples from every chapter in the textbook. We'll be covering chapters 1 through 8 in this course, so you want to make sure that you get the code examples for these chapters downloaded. You can actually do it in one simple download by downloading all of these chapter examples simply by clicking this link, or you can do it one chapter at a time, your choice. So there you go. This Before You Begin exercise does a couple things. Make sure you get the JDK installed, make sure you get an IDE, and familiarize yourself with that IDE, and then download the code examples that we'll be going over in later videos. That's it. Take care.